Yeah, coming to the third one, that is mixed referencing. What is mixed referencing? Mixed referencing is the combination of both relative referencing and absolute referencing. Mixed referencing is the combination of both relative referencing and absolute referencing. So for showing mixed referencing, I'm going to use the same data, Control C, and I'm going to copy here, Control V. And here in mixed referencing, one part of the cell address is absolute and other one is relative. Once again, I'm repeating. In mixed referencing, one part of the cell address is absolute and other part is relative. So I'm going to apply the formula for the mixed referencing, equal to, open the bracket, as usual 15,000 cell address is B9. Here you can see the column B and then row number 9, B9 multiplied by C9 minus $D9 and close the bracket. So observe the formula. I said you that mixed referencing is the combination of both relative referencing and absolute referencing. So in this formula, absolute referencing, $D. So when we mention dollar symbol, it is an absolute referencing. $D is an absolute referencing and 9 is the relative referencing. I already said you that mixed referencing means one part of the cell address is absolute referencing and the other one is relative referencing. Here $D is the absolute referencing and the 9 is the relative referencing. Press enter and copy the formula with the help of fill handle, drag down. Then automatically the formula is copied. Now you can observe here 5,000 multiplied by 3, 15,000 and 10,000 multiplied by 4, 40,000. But observe the formula difference between the first 28,000 and remaining both the cells. Here you can see I have applied the formula B9 multiplied by C9 minus $D and 9. Okay, and here you can see B10 multiplied by C10 minus, automatically the next cell is copied here. Okay, and here also you can see automatically the cell address is copied here. This cell address is as usual, it is copied here. You can see B11 multiplied by C11 and the empty cell also here it is copied. Here mixed referencing means one part of the cell address is absolute. So this $D is an absolute referencing and this 9 is relative referencing. Okay, so when we copy the formula, as usual it is copied and the cell address is also automatically changed. It does not fix to this cell, right? So hope you understood this mixed referencing. So here relative referencing, absolute referencing and mixed referencing. So here difference between absolute referencing and mixed referencing, here this cell address is automatically copied in all the cells. Here also you can see, but in this it is just copied the next cell. Hope you understood the difference between absolute referencing and mixed referencing. Thank you.